Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the hybrid battery electric control module fan fuse is located, where you can find that fuse, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses, so if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can find the fuse that controls the hybrid battery electric control module fan. We will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion. You have multiple fuse boxes. We're working just one of them, that's under the hood. Open the hood, and here on the driver's side you see that box. You have a cover that looks like a T. Open it, and underneath you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the hybrid battery electric control module fan, we need to check not one, not two, but 3 fuses. And where are they located now? The first one, you see that fuse, that's a double fuse, guys. That's fuse number 35 and 36, 2 fuses in one. Fuse number 36, that's one of them that you will need to check right here, fuse number 36. Then we need to check fuse number 50. So fuse number 50, it's that 15M fuse here in our case. And then we need to check one more, which is actually fuse number 52, and that fuse here, that's 51 and 52, 2 fuses in one again, but fuse number 52. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.